Landscape Connections is really exciting. It's an opportunity to work at a massive scale on nature restoration in the national park in partnership with RSPB and the Loch, Lomond and Trossachs Countryside Trust. We're really, really lucky in the national park. We've got fantastic and unique woodland, the southernmost areas of Caledonian pinewood. We've got unique Scottish rainforest, and that's what we're really focusing on restoring, where we get the patchwork of all these different kinds of woodland. Nature restoration is absolutely at the heart of our national park, but it's not just about nature, it's about nature with people. In many, many ways, it's about giving more people the opportunity to connect with nature and learn about nature, but it's also in people seeing those benefits in terms of job creation, in terms of opportunities for businesses and communities and land managers, and that's all the things that the Landscape Connections project will give us a chance to bring together. We'll have the first 18 months dedicated to development, so that means we'll be going out, talking to people about the outline plans we've got for the project, getting people's ideas about how it can work best in their community, on their land. We then need to go back and hopefully secure that additional 8 years of funding to deliver the project.
We're going to be working with local communities and volunteers and land managers to expand the woodland habitat to end up with something which is much, much healthier, much, much more natural, and will be fantastic for wildlife and for people. Quite often projects are relatively short term. This programme of work is very, very different. If we get this right, what we'll be able to do during that 10-year time is put in place structures and mechanisms to actually allow what we're doing to be sustained well into the future and to be rolled out across a much larger area as well.
One of the things that we're going to be leading on is green skills and developing those green skills, whether that be operating machinery to help manage the habitats, right through to doing survey work. And we're going to provide training and support for a diverse range of people. So that might be local people living very close to sites, or it might be people a bit further afield. This project is fantastic. It's going to raise the profile of the iconic habitats and species we have within the connected landscape. And it's going to give us an opportunity not only to connect, because although that is important, the biggest thing is we need people to take action.